Hey guys, so I'm doing a little bit of work on the claws here, and I wanted to do some snake hook on this side right here, um, but when I rotate over to the top view, it's kind of hard to see what's going on. It's kind of being hidden by this top claw part. So throughout this video, I've been using the solo button because most of this creature can be hidden easily with that solo button since he's made of different pieces. But in this circumstance, this is all one piece, so when I hit solo, I still have that there. So I was just going to show you how you can hide or mask that part so that it's not in the way as you're trying to sculpt. So if you hit Control, just when you're on any brush, if you hit Control, it brings up that little plus mask. So while you're clicking Control, just drag out and you can select the area that you don't want to see. Now you can invert that by Control clicking down on the canvas, and in this case I didn't want to invert it, I just did that to show you how. So I'm going to hit Control and click down again, and you can see the black area is the masked area. The other thing that you can do here is you can, if you Control click on the model, you soften the mask. So you can see, watch the edge here as I click down, it just gets softer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to visibility and I'm going to click hide PT. And so that actually did the opposite of what I wanted. So I'm just going to step back and I'm going to do a invert again and hide PT. So there you go. Now if we come over here to this top view where I was trying to sculpt, you can see clearly what we have here. So now I'm just going to come in with the regular snake hook brush and start doing some of those spikies along the shell here. And there you go. So I was able to hide what I didn't want to see and then draw in the area that I want. And now I can do show PT, and that obviously will unhide it and undo the mask. So the other way that you can undo a mask is just by coming into masking, and you can just click this clear button, or you can also do the inverting in here as well. You can mask all. You can also do that blur mask. You can grow and shrink the mask. You can create off alpha, but let's just clear that because I wanted to show you how to clear the mask once you have it on. So that's the basics of masking, and so let's unhide the rest of this guy and zoom out, and he's starting to come along pretty cool. We got some detail on the claw, some detail on the head. Still got a long way to go, but I thought it would be good to show that masking tutorial.